Hi there, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create this easy Chevron French Tip Manicure. You're just going to need a base coat and some sort of purple reddish nail polish. So you don't need a whole lot for this design, it's all going to be free-handed. I've already applied a base coat and I'm basically just taking my polish and swiping up from left to right on one side of the nail, and then again swiping from right to left in an upwards direction on the other side of the nail. So you're creating a peak. The more you, or the steeper the peak, the longer your nails will look. So if your short nails could use some help, definitely make your peak steeper. So that's it. Very little tools, no tape, no stencils of any sort. You're just swiping left to right to left to create clean lines to form that nice sharp peak. So to finish off this easy design, I'm just going to repeat the same steps for all my fingernails. So here I'm swiping again, starting with the top side and then swiping from the bottom right to left. One tip I do have though, if you find that you're not getting a clean line on your first few coats, I would hold off, have it dry before you keep piling on additional coats, because that can make it clumpy and can worsen those sharp lines you're trying to create. If you find that you make any mistakes trying to form the upside down V, you can always go back with nail polish remover using an angular brush and steepening your peak or fixing up any mistakes you've made. And that is it. If you're able to paint straight lines from left to right, straight across, you're almost guaranteed to have beautiful results at the end. You can choose to leave the French manicure as is, as it's stunning the way it is by itself, but I also think it's a great backdrop for adding flowers, crystals, glitter, and whatever else you can think of. Be sure to add a final top coat and clean up around the edges for your final results. As always, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one.